Hello, what's up, people? It's your boy Jojo, and you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel, I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. I also make comedy skits and give YouTube advice on how to grow. On today's video, I want to show you how to create a store, like a clothing store for yourself online. You don't have to keep stock. All you just need to do is to open up the store online, and then you can actually sell your clothing designs on this particular platform. So what I'm simply saying is that you can create hoodies, t-shirts, and then sell them online. You can also create your own YouTube merchandise, and then at the end of the day you can connect your channel with this particular website so you can sell your merchandise to your subscribers and even your viewers. So if this sounds to you like a video you would like to see, then you want to stay back and watch this video. Okay guys, first things first, we want to do is to go to the website where we're going to be creating our own online merchandise store. So first you just go ahead and type in teespring.com, just like you can see here, teespring.com. Okay, here we are. This is teespring.com. It's an online commerce website. So for us to start off, you just go ahead and get started. Just click on get started. So it's going to bring you to this platform, and all you need to do is to create an account with Teespring. So here you can just enter your brand name. So so here we can enter the brand name T Trial. Let's just use the brand name T Trial. I'm using that. You can use any name you'd like to use. You can use your YouTube channel name, and you can use any name you prefer, but I always like to use my YouTube channel name. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using this T Trial just as an example. So all you need to do here is enter your email address, and then you enter a password, and then you go ahead and re-enter the password again, and then click the captcha, and then you click on sign up. So to continue, you would have to name your store. So let's just name our store T Tutorial. So you click on continue. So which of the following best describes you? I'm a content creator, I'm a designer, I'm an organization or other. My personal Teespring account, JojoConnect account, I actually entered content creator. But if you're not a YouTuber, you just want to create t-shirts, hoodies, clothes, general, for sale, you can just click on designer. So let's use designer this time. You go ahead and connect your social platform. So you have to connect at least one social platform. So let me just connect Facebook though. So here we go. This is the store. So this is your store, T Tutorial. Here's your store. You can change the icon if you want, but let's just go ahead to the main areas where we start to design our t-shirts and our hoodies and so on. So let's just go ahead and start designing. Okay, what do you want to design? Digital products. If you want digital products, maybe you want audio files, digital planner, digital posters. These are digital products you can design. Home accessories. If you want home accessories like indoor pillows, posters, canvas prints, beach towels, there are. But I always go for apparels. That's the t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, and so on and so forth. So let's just get started. Let's choose this one to start a design on this. I'm just going to show you a few examples of how to design your apparels. So start design on this one. Here we go. First things first, this is the front of the t-shirt and this is the back of the t-shirt. So the front, let's add an image. You must have designed your own image, so I'm going to use my image that I already designed. Make sure that your image is designed in PNG so that it's easy so it doesn't have any solid background. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. So you see this space is where you have the opportunity to move or to place in your art designs for your t-shirt. So I'm just I can walk around here. Let me just put it somewhere here. Okay, here we go. So this is the design here. I can write something at the back if I want, or I can even add a text. You can add a text here if you want to add a text. Let's bring it down. You can add a text here if you want, but I'm not going to add a text. So I'm just going to go to the back now. The back, I want to add a text to the back. Okay, I like this font a lot, this particular one, Action Jackson. I like the font. So I'm gonna look for a white color, something white, something like this. Yeah, so I'm trying to edit the text now. So you can write whatever you like at the back. So I like to always put dream big. Then you position it properly. It must be inside this space. Anything outside of it will not get printed. So make sure it's inside the space, the provided space. So here we go. So this is the back of the t-shirt and this is the front of the t-shirt. This looks good, isn't it? So now what we want to do is to see if we have all the variety of colors for this t-shirt. Okay, yeah, we do have the gray, we have this color as well, and then we have, so you have to check all of them and then you click on done. So now that you're done here, you have to choose the one that's going to show on your home page, the color you prefer to show on your home page. You can edit that as it is. This color is the one showing on the home page. You can see that this is the first color that the customers will see when they come to your store. So you can change it. If you want this one to be the first color they would see, you can change it. So I'm going to leave it at this one and then you click on done. So this is where you have to set your price. So there's a recommended price here for you. The price already lets you know how much profit you'll be making on this t-shirt. But if you want to make more profit or want to reduce the profit, you can change the price here. So let's assume I'm changing it to 28. You see the profit has increased to about 8.9. That's going to be my profit. But if I take it down to, let's say, 20, your profit is just going to be 0.93, which doesn't make sense. So let's go back and change it to maybe 24. Okay, with 24 I'm making about 4.9 profit, or you can make it 25. That would be 5.93 profit. I think this is okay, so you can just go ahead and click continue. So the beauty of it is that you don't have to keep doing the design on each one of them. Once you do it on one, then you see you have the design on all of the apparels that is available on the platform, even on the bag, on the socks, on the joggers and the leggings. So you see the design automatically stays on them also. So the design is here. So what you do now is I don't need all of this apparel, so I'm just going to select the ones I want on my store. So like this one, it's already there, and I want the hoodie, so I'm just gonna have to select the styles for the hoodie. Okay, I prefer this particular style of hoodie, the classic pullover, or the premium pullover, whichever one you want. So let's choose the premium pullover though. So I've selected that. Now I can also edit this one to add more colors, more variety of colors for the hoodie. So I'm just gonna check white, check gray, blue, light gray, like that. This is royal blue. So you see, let's look at the back. So you adjust text on the back. So that's it. Here we go. Front. Okay, I can reposition this a little bit. Okay, front, back. So then you just go ahead and click on done. So you also need to set the price for this one, and so already you have a recommended price, which I think is okay because the profit is about 12. So just go ahead and click on continue. Like I said, you can adjust the price to your own taste, depending on the amount of profit you would like to make. So but remember, do not make it too expensive so it can really sell off. So just go ahead and click on continue. So I've chosen that type of hoodie. I can also see okay, that's just it. Okay, I think I'm okay with that, with this type of hoodie. So just click on done. Okay, so I don't like the fact that it's showing me the back, so let's go ahead and readjust it, or so edit and then go back to front. That's much better. So continue. So yeah, makes sense now, right? So then you just click on done. So because this is the only hoodie I want in this particular style section. So if you want more, you can check the other ones as well, but I just want only this one. So just go ahead and click on done. Okay, so I'm done with the hoodie. So I like a long sleeve t-shirt, so I just select the styles here. So I prefer this one, so I just check this and then edit it, because I need to adjust the text on the back. So just like you can see, you just adjust the text. Okay, so alright, this makes sense. So this is front and that's back. So make sure to add more color varieties. So okay, this is what they have available here, so just check them all. Okay, done. I want to use this white as my front view. That's the first color to be seen on my page, so I just click here and then come and check this white here, so that the white color would be the one showing on my page. So done. Okay, if you're okay with the price recommended for you and the profit to make, then you go ahead and click on continue. Alright, so I think I've just done about 3 for you guys as an example. So let's go ahead and click on continue. Alright, so you give your design like a title or a name, so I can just call this "Let's Rock," That's the name of the design. Let's rock. Yeah, remember, you can use any name that you want. Now put a description. I could just, let me just simply say YouTube merchandise. So that's about it. And what else? Okay, this is the URL that will be connected to your store that you can share. Now make sure that this visibility is on public, and that's it. So publish listing. So we're just going to publish the listing now. So it's trying to publish the listing for us. We've made 3 apparels, so that's going to be on our store now. Okay, here we go. So this is our store. You can see live. This store is now live. People can see what you have for sale now. So it actually comes in different sizes as well: small, medium, large, extra large, and 2 extra large. So the name of the design is showing here. Let's rock. So as you can see, this is an organic long sleeve. I like this long sleeve. Wow. Let's look at this other color available. This is the black. Yeah, this is more like a light blue, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, see, there are different colors. These are the colors available for this particular long sleeve. I think I like this white so much. Okay, for you as the designer or the creator of the store, you have the right to order a sample. So when you're ordering a sample, you don't have to pay the exact 22 pounds, as you can see here. So let's assume I want to order this white sample, and let's choose a size medium, and you can either order from the USA or the EU, depending on where you're located. And if you're in the US, your orders will come from the US, and if you're in any of the European countries, your orders will come from the EU. Just choose the quantity you want. 1, as you can see now, this is 16.4, and that's the amount you're going to be charged, because it is your own store and they want you to order a sample, so you will not be paying up to 22 euro as seen on the home page. Rather, you'll be paying 16.4 for a sample. So you can just proceed to check out to order a sample for yourself. Okay, that said, let's go back to the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you can always check your analytics to see how much you have earned so far on your sales and the number of units or orders made. You can look at your listings on your store, that if you have any. So this is the listing on my store. There's an order sample. I'm supposed to finish ordering the sample. This is the listings. Now you can also go to your store to see your apparels on your store. So this is it. This is your store. This is the name of the store. Tutorial. So you can also go to your store. This is your store. You can view your store from here to see the apparels you have. Now these are the apparels you have on your store, as you can see. So payouts, once you get paid, you go here to show the amount that you've been paid. I mean the amount of profit you've earned on your sales. So everything will show up here, but just like we don't have any payout yet because there's a new store. Your purchases, when you have made any sale, it would always show you the number of sales you've made here, product order, the profit, and the amount of profit to be paid to you. So as you can see, it's pretty much very easy to create your own online store and have your own design out there for people to patronize you. I trust that you've learned something today. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. I always do my best to make videos for you to learn new things from time to time. So guys, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, and let me know your favorite online website where you buy clothes. I'd like to know. See you guys. Cheers.